Hello everyone, Chess Chuck is here and I am in trouble again. I am playing with white pieces and my king is super passive, and the super aggressive black king is about to capture my only pawn. My only move seems to be king to e2, however. After black plays his pawn to d4, I am in Zwang. What exactly is Zwang, you may ask? Zwang comes from the German words Zug, meaning move, and Zwang meaning compulsion or obligation. In a nutshell, a Zwang occurs when a player is forced to make a move that will put them in a worse position than if it were their opponent's turn to move. No matter where I move my king, my opponent will capture my pawn on d3 with his king. Wait 1 second, Chess Chuck. I watched your video about an opposition, you might say. If white plays king to e1 and the black king captures the white pawn on d3, the white king can move into opposition on d1 and it's a draw. Unfortunately, when the pawn is advanced so far that the opposition occurs on the last rank, it doesn't work. The black king simply moves to e3, and after white king moves to e1, black places his pawn onto d3. White king will respond by moving to d1, and black pawn moves to d2, forcing the white king to move to c2. This allows the black king to move to e2, and the pawn becomes a queen on the next move. So what should I do? But thank you for reminding me about opposition. I am about to do something crazy, but believe me, it works. I am giving up my pawn by playing pawn d4. This is the only way to draw the game. After the black king captures the pawn on d4, the white king forces a draw by stepping into an opposition by playing king to d2. Oh wow, that was close. I almost lost the game. Thankfully, remembering about opposition helped me get a draw instead of losing. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like and click subscribe. See you next time.